Of our model 1702. It's 3906 square feet, a 4-bed, 4.5 bath. Beautiful south exposure. You can see the Wrigley building out of the living room windows as well as the clock. You have some west view. We have a gas fireplace. Down this hallway here we have 2 en-suites. One that the designers made into a bonus room. And then we have the primary suite down here with 2 walk-in closets and 2 reach-in closets. Clear west views. Floor ceiling marble in the bathroom. 3 components in the shower, rain standard and handheld. We have a tub filler and handheld. And the mirrors are medicine cabinets with electric and USB. Down to the living room. Our kitchens have a steam and induction oven, another oven, gas range top and griddle, microwave. We have sub-zero refrigeration and wine cooler. And this galley workstation. All units come with accessories. Slide back and forth on the sink. And you have a Miele dishwasher. Down the other wing, powder room, secondary ensuite, and then another secondary ensuite, which actually feels like another primary. You get your east views as well as your south view. And we have a laundry room with a secondary door.